Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera portraits in photo mode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then tap on camera. Next, we go down and in here, tap on portraits in photo mode. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said here, automatically capture depth information if a person, dog or cat is prominent in the frame in photo mode. So you can apply portrait effects later. Now after, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.